Hey everyone, good morning. DayTraderRockStar here with a different version of the watch list. I'm going to be doing a an updated video throughout the day on Friday. Paul's on the mic right now, and I'm doing the research section on the thing, preparing this week's watch list. But I always like to get those setups out earlier and to the members because they're always great, and it's great to have that position in on Friday going into the early next week. So I want to just start off this. I'm going to put out multiple videos during the day. I'm going to send them right to your mailboxes, the members. This one is just the announcement. It'll probably get posted on YouTube just to go over a couple setups right now, and then the rest will be more of a private basis here. But just want to get two things out for you real fast on a fast video right now. A couple of great setups. We have Visa. We took off Visa today, and it's just one of the better stocks out there. Expected to pop above 200, and we got that pop. I wanted to see it run to about 203. We got to 202 and change. We ended up taking profits, and the reason I took profits on this is we started moving higher, and the market actually continued to move higher, and we stalled out here. We didn't make new highs as the market actually moved higher here. So we got a little tired here. We're extended on the 5, and we started pulling back, but just then I just put the alert in the room that this is possibly a bounce area for those who might have missed the original pop here. But that trade is no longer active for me. But there is a lot of stocks that are moving right now, and a couple of gifts I'm going to give you right now. This one's a cheaper one, but I mentioned this also in the room. The QSIS quality systems. Look at this trend line, and I said if you're liking this type of setup, the only thing I would recommend is staying higher priced stocks. This one's borderline on where I would like to be above that $20 range, really above 40 on the price level, because these tend to work better in the method I use. But you can see there's a definite trend line here, a nice pullback, a flag, and everything here pointing to a pop here, and we are getting that pop today. So this is early in the pop stage. I am long this. And this continues to look really good as a flag, but the price, being a little cheaper, makes it a little more, risky. BMRN. This one, this is a classic example of what we look for here on Day Trading Radio. Downward channel, lower trend line bounce. Hey, this was, it was given to us. It was a perfect setup, what we call a 200 EMA trend line bounce, recognizable pattern, blast off here. Really a great setup, and that trade is pretty much finished now anyway. VALE here still looking good, VALE. And again, X marks the spot type of trade, and we're getting that follow through. It's starting to cross over. It continues to look good. These are some of the things. I have a whole new list of stocks I'm going to get out to you throughout the day on this video format. I want to get your feedback on it. If you'd like to get them in this type of a very fast, under 5-minute video instead of getting that one big video, what I'm going to do is going to take all these and kind of link them together and kind of use them for a lot. These are going to be added to this week's video watch list too. So it's kind of killing two birds with one stone. And then one other stock I want to show you. That's set it up really, really nice. And I got my list of stocks here, and I got so many things to go over today. QSIS we went over, BKJ, EFG, all the flags. There's tremendous amount of flags here. The Kraft, KRFT. This is such an unorganized stock, and recently, this one is recent spinoff with Mondelez. We've come back down into a recognizable channel, series of higher lows, a divergence between the stochastics and the price level, and this pushing back up. Pay attention to this one today. We might rotate back up above $23. I want to see this start to hold at 23, and we're going to make this move right back up through this overall trend line down the road. All right, this is not all going to happen today. We're not going to see a big move, but this is a very good setup. I don't think you missed anything yet on this. And it still looks quite good. Now we're starting to see O'Reilly, ORLY, start to move out today. We've been waiting for this one to start to move out and starting to move back up. Still got a very strong stochastic bounce here. Like to get us up to the gap area, which is 127. And that's it. I want to stop this video right now. I'm going to do some more in-depth 2-minute long videos. Send them in the room. and I'll get back to that in a few minutes. This was about 5 minutes long.